Hi guys, in front of me is Black Shark 5 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, then find and select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, and then click on edit. Now mark add photo, and here you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. So it's up to you, whatever you want to do. Just pick the picture or grab it with your phone. So let me grab a picture. And as only the picture is taken, tap on confirmation mark. You can adjust it as you wish, and then tap on OK. And now click on save. So this is how you can apply a profile picture to your contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.